I opened my own law firm because I know what it's like to be injured and have bad legal representation. I left a big law firm so I could get to know clients personally, like you, and help you with your case and get you the best possible results. At the Roberts Law Firm, we know that success comes from fully understanding your story, how the negligence of others impacts your life every single day. You'll find that we truly care about you and are interested, most of all, in standing beside you to ease your pain with a just outcome. You'll never be just a name on a piece of paper. Everyone on our staff has touches with almost every file, so when you call or come into the office, the personal relationship will always be far deeper than just a client and an attorney. When getting to know you, when crafting your story, when standing up in front of a jury representing you, it's my goal that someday you'll say, while some personal injury attorneys may have a bad reputation, I got a great one.